Okay, I'll just wiggle it. We don't have to put a quarter in it. Now Zander gets to go to dentist. What do you get? Laughing gas?
But ones are kitty baby puppies or baby kittens?
They're both awfully cute. Baby anything's cute.
Yeah.
Even baby pigs. And hello Momma O fans. What a beautiful day. Oh, it's so nice. Let's see what today brings. Look at those blue skies. Really nice. Got the lawn watered and I'll mow it one of these days. Amanda's coming over. Zander has to go to the dentist, so we want to try and get some skating in before he goes to the dentist. So we're gonna see if we can get that to fit in today. Keep hearing this cat meowing. Well, it's not you. Amanda will be here any minute. This cat. And I can tell it has not been fixed because of the ear. It looks similar to my other cats. It has that gray stripe. Kitty, where have you come from? Doesn't seem too afraid. Looks like our cat. She's looking for strawberries.
So we're not gonna have them.
Classic Fun Center, we are back. You bring the scooters? Yeah, that is nice. We don't have to. All this air is coming out. It's like a blizzard blowing on us, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, good. All right, we're in. Zander scooching. We don't have. Last time we came, there's like 10 bus loads of kids. Look, we almost get the whole place to ourselves. There goes Zander. Where do you want to go? Bird's eye view. They're down in the trampoline. Yeah. Okay, we got Naomi, Zander, Ollie are in. This is called Wipeout. Hurry, jump! Duck! Oh, Naomi got hit.
Okay, we're going to level 3.
Oh, is that faster? Oh, duck! Oh, that is way faster. Oh, watch out, Ollie. He skipped his head. Zander's still in. Oh, who did get them both at the same time?
Zander.
Oh, Zander's the winner. Woo! Zander's hanging on. Going over to the next level. Oh, he's down. And if you make it up, cross to the slide. Okay, I'll just wiggle it. We don't have to put a quarter in it. How's that? Save some money. Oh, there you are. You want to hop in? I just wiggle it and then you don't have to put a quarter in. Isn't that fun?
Mama, can you give us a quarter?
I don't have one. He went to the bathroom. There's Ollie. Mommy went in there with him. A lot of kids. And that bus comes in. Here they are, crawling through. Hi! There they are. Gotta crawl through. Amanda's brave. Did you want to crawl through? Yeah, I'll just video you. They're going in the blast zone. You guys were in there a long time. Show me your score. Which one are you?
I'm in 9th. I'm the one that says 1-6. That's who I am.
That's you?
Yeah.
Where's Zander? We ordered a pizza. We're going to take a little break, skate some more, and then go to the dentist. Got Naomi out on the floor. Ollie's got his blue slushy. Let's see your smile. Blue smile. We got to show the blue teeth. That's proof. Proof on them. And Ollie says he wears this Joe Cool shirt every day. And then Mom has to sneak it off him at night to wash it. There she comes. Oh, Naomi's out there. Are you ready? There she goes, the pink outfit. Waiting for our pizza still. I think it's about a half an hour. We are ready. Yay. Right for blackout for our pizza. Ah, thank you. There we go.
Ollie, sit down.
He's excited, I think.
Ollie,
here, I'll...
It's done.
I can't watch. It makes me dizzy when they do those flashing lights. Ooh, that looks good. I'll get some napkins. Boy, I'm surprised we ate that much. Got 15 minutes left. They went to jump. I'm here with Zander. Wherever you went. Oh, I hate those strobe lights. Now Zander gets to go to dentist. What do you get? Laughing gas? Uh-oh, and you don't like that?
I've done this.
Okay.
Something like that, laughing gas. The
You
dentist
don't?
said it was like, I think it was this dentist too.
Oh.
The dentist said it was like
You remember going
Gatorade mixed with medicine, but really it was just like some.
Is this the way to go in?
This is it. There he is, all done. You felt no pain? None at all, huh?
A little bit
Good.
when they were doing the drill.
Oh, the drilling? Oh, we hate the drilling. See what you got.
Not bad, huh?
Let's see him.
I can't even
No, it wasn't bad. You didn't even.
Uh-oh, we too close?
Well, Naomi said
Let's see how close we are. Oh, it's going to be a tight squeeze, Naomi. Oh, barely, barely. Made it back home. The kids want to stay at least an hour and play. They want to stay so they can play before the end of the day. That rhymes. Yeah, we might set up a trampoline. They like to swing into it. Yeah, okay?
Yeah.
Okay. So he did not have to have a root canal. Here we got this one set up so they can swing into it. They're looking at a bug over there.
Wait, it lost its head and body.
Oh, gross.
Grandma, see, look.
Spider?
Look.
Yeah, I can see it. Yeah.
Moving.
Yeah. I'm cooking up noodles and gravy and frying up some chicken and a hot dog there. Kind of cleaned this area out a little bit more. Put that guy back there. So big, you don't know where to put it, but I think that's fine there instead of right here where we all sit. That works out good. Oh, they got it all shined up. I don't think you can fit in there.
Oh, I can fit in one of these at the at Macy's,
All right, let's see.
but be very squished.
I don't think, well,
Oliver, are you gonna just put your legs in the hole?
he's gonna get stuck in there and won't be able to get out.
I don't want to do this. Oliver, I want to play.
He won't fit. This is a mini of these cars. There are bigger ones like this, but this one's pretty little. Frankie.
No, it's the same size as the other ones. I can fit in it.
Okay, let's see.
No, do you see that hole?
Ollie.
Legs.
Amanda's doing a Costco run. Who we got in here? They love this bed in here, don't they?
Yeah.
Lay in here and watch TV, so cozy. Well, we'll see you.
Close enough.
Okay. All right, get the door open. You can just leave the door open. Push the door more. Yeah, this is painful. I don't like this. This is extremely painful.
Naomi bossing me around to do this, and I don't like it.
She's bossing you around to do it. Tell her you don't want to.
Yeah, but it's gotta be fun, but.
Yeah, and this opens up this area more so we can sit visit. Like I had this big tripod in here. We were trying to sing Happy Birthday. Doug squished on that bench with the swing right there. We can't even see each other. So he's back there now. Those two are going to work with that. You swinging in? I love this swinging into the trampoline. Oh, he's in.
You have to get out quickly, Oliver. Hurry.
Oh dear. That looks interesting. Okay, she's gonna do it. I don't know. There she goes. She's gone. The kids wanted the bunnies out. I think they like getting out too. Give them a little bit of stretching room. They wanted the blocks out. Huh, Naomi? They're so soft, huh?
And
What?
but ones are kitty baby puppies or
Oh,
baby kittens.
they're both awfully cute. Baby anything's cute.
Yeah.
Even baby pigs.
Yeah.
Where'd our blue skies go?
Look at that light.
Think it's gonna rain?
I thought it could rain drops.
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
We have to put jumpling away if it's gonna rain.
No, not like. No, I was just a few minutes ago.
Oh, okay. If it rains, we gotta put it away quick. Now we got Naomi in here. The drink, or did we lose Zander? Watchin Sing too, huh? Alright. Now requesting popcorn, and they like it in this stirrer one. It heats up and stirs, and I cook it in coconut oil. The air one works good, but they like how this one tastes. There we go. Just put in a half cup of popcorn. Looks like it all got popped. Salt it and butter it. Good to go. Oh, got the popcorn going? All right. Taste all right? Coconut oil, butter, and salt. Looks like Zander made it out. Oh, cheddar slingshot. I said sledder. Heck, what eating this popcorn? Sun's getting ready to set. Ooh, it's quiet. The sun is set. Amanda's kids left. I'm going to roll this up. It may rain tonight and it may not, but I'll roll it up and then they can take it out again tomorrow when they come over. There we go. Rolled up. Oh, look at the pretty pinkish looking sky there. We'll be back again tomorrow. We want to go see a pony parade. All horse parade. Probably have some unicorns in it. There we go, all cleaned up. Let's go in and get cleaned up in here and get ready for our quote. It's time to say our good nights and rest up for tomorrow. Everything you ever wanted to be is on the other side of fear. So true. Thanks for liking, commenting, and subscribing. Remember to look for that rose because it is there. And let's see what tomorrow brings. Thank you and good night.
I miss you wherever you are. I miss you. I know you're not too far. We did everything together. We were the best of friends. Save a place for me up there until we meet again. When you see me all alone and crying just for you, send some angels down for me to help me make it through. Heaven, have mercy. My poor heart is breaking. Help me stop hurting. My empty arms are aching. I miss you wherever you are. I miss you. I know you're not too far. We did everything together. We were the best of friends. Save a place for me up there